Hello everyone, I heartily welcome you my own YouTube channel Mechanical Guru 2020. In this video, I have solved alternate solution on assignment problem by Hungarian method. If you like my video, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get latest notification, and don't forget to press the like button. Now I will go to the example. In today's video, we discuss the assignment problem. In that we cover alternate solution. So first we understand what is alternate solution in assignment problem. See, sometimes it is possible to have two or more ways to cross zero in the reduced matrix for a given problem. In such cases, it is possible to have alternative optimal solution with some cost. So, alternate optimal solutions, in that we get more than two solutions. So, it's called the alternate solution. Let's see the example. Solve the following problem by Hungarian method. So here the matrix is 4 by 4. There are 4 men and 4 jobs. So this example we solve by the Hungarian method. So just follow the Hungarian steps. So step number 1, prepare a square matrix. So here the matrix is already square, so direct you have to go with the step number 2, that is row reduction. In the row reduction, simple, subtract the smallest element of each row from all the elements of that row. So there will be at least 1 0 in each row. So starting from the first row, the minimum number is 7. Second row minimum number, or we can say minimum cost, again here 5. In second row minimum cost is 5. Third row minimum cost is 4. And the last row minimum cost is 2. So just subtract it. So here we get the new matrix. So here the value is 3, 2, 0, 1. Similarly for the second row, 0, 3, 2, 2. In the next row, 1, 0, 2, 1, and the last 0, 1, 2, 3. The next step, column reduction. In a column reduction, same, subtract the smallest element of each column from all the elements of that column. So here, in our first column, the minimum cost is 0. So this column is as it is, we have to write down. In second column, again minimum cost is 0, so again same. In the third column, again the minimum cost is 0, so this column again as it is. In the last column, the minimum number is 1, so subtract it. So here we will get the value 0, 1, 0, 2. Okay, so here step number 3 is completed. After the completion of step number 3, we get each row and each column, we get the 0. Okay, now you have to apply step number 4, that is assign 0. Now starting from the first row, is there any single 0? No, there are 2 zeros, so leave it. Second row, is there any single 0? Yes, so assign it. Now in that column, is there any 0? Yes, so cross it. Now third row, is there any single 0? No, again there are 2 zeros, so leave it. In the last, is there any 0? No. Now starting from the first column, okay, so first column is already assigned. In the second row, is there any single 0? Yes, there is. Assign it. Now in that row, is there any 0? Yes, so cross it. Now in the third column, is there any single 0? Yes, assign it. Now in that row, is there any 0? Yes, so cross it. So here all the 0 is occupied, whether it's assigned 0 or cross 0. But here we cannot get the optimal solution. So now we have to apply the next steps, that is tick mark procedure. So in a tick mark procedure, mark the rows that do not have assignment. So here the first row is assigned, second row is assigned, third row is assigned, so fourth row is not assigned. So tick mark that row. Now in that row, is there any cross 0? Yes. So here we have to tick mark 2. Now in tick mark 2, in that column, is there any assigned 0? Yes. So here assign 0, so tick mark in a row. Now in that row, is there any cross 0? No. Okay. Now next step in the same tick mark procedure. Now we have to draw the line. Now where to draw the line? Simple. Unmark row and mark column. So here row number 2 and row number 4 is already marked. So just we have to draw the line, first row and third row, and mark column. So here the only one column that is marked. So mark that column. Done. So here tick mark procedure is completed. Now next steps, that is modify matrix. Now in a modify matrix, what we have to do? Just simple. Just identify the minimum elements which is left uncovered in that reduce cost matrix or modify matrix. So here the minimum number is 1. Okay. Now deduct that value from all uncovered elements. So here we get the value. So here 3 minus 1. So here we get the 0. Okay, 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Similarly here 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1 again 1. Done. Next, add that number to that cell which is at intersection of both the lines. So here there are two values, this value and this value. Here both the line are intersecting. So in that we have to add this number. So here 3 plus 1, that is 4. Here 1 plus 1, so here we get the 2. And the remaining value we have to put as it is. So here 2, 0, 0. Here again 0, 0, 2, 0, and here 0. So here a modify matrix is completed. Now again we have to apply the step number 4, that is assign 0. Now starting from the first row, again is there any single 0? No, there are 2 zeros. So leave that row. Second row again there are 2 0. Third row again 2 0. In the last again 2 0. Now starting from the column. So in the first column, is there any single 0? No. Second column, no. In third column, yes. So assign it. Now in that row, is there any 0? Yes. So cross it. In the last column, is there any single 0? No. Okay. So here we get the more than 2 solution. Now here in the second row there are 2 zeros, so in that we can choose any one. So here first we select this. Okay, so in that column, is there any 0? Yes, so cross it. Also in the row and column, both the cross it. Now in the third row, is there any single 0? No. In the fourth row, single 0, yes. So assign it. Now in that column, is there any 0? Yes, so cross it. Okay. And the last here is assign it. Okay, this is the one solution. Also we get the second solution. So first we find out the total cost. So here machine and job, here is cost. Now here the first main is C job is assigned, and in that we have to go to the original matrix. Here in that we get the cost. So here 1 2 3, that is 7. Now in second main assign job number A, in that the cost is 5. In third main B job is assigned, in that the cost is 5. In the fourth main B job is assigned, so here we get the 3. So here total cost means summation of all the cost. So here we get the total cost, that is 7 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 20. Now this is the first solution. Now we get the second solution. Same matrix we have to write down. Okay. So here, is there any single zero? No. So here, this is the column. So in column we get the single zero. So assign it. Now in that row, any zero, so cross it. So here in this solution, this 0 is assigned. Now in second solution we assign this 0. So in a row and column, cross 0. So here in this row, this 0 is cross it, and here column is that. So here both the 0 we will cross it. Now in third row, is there any single 0? Yes. So assign it. Now in that column, is there any 0? Yes. So cross it. And last is assigned. Okay, so here we get the other solution, or we can say alternate solution. Let's see in which main which job is assigned. So here one main is assigned C job. So here the cost is 7. Second main is assigned B job. So in that the cost is again 7. In third main J job is assigned. Sorry, B job is assigned. So in that the cost is 4. In the last main A job is assigned. So in that the cost is 2. So again the total cost means summation of all the cost. Okay, so here again we get the same way. In alternate solution, always we get the same cost, total cost. Okay, so this is the simple example, that is alternate optimal solution. Thank you for watching my video. For any query or suggestion, you can contact me. This is my mobile number and this is my mail ID. Once again, thank you everyone.